Florida General Knowledge Test Math Prep, Part 19. This skill is of average difficulty. Solve for x. So here we have an expression that needs to be solved for x, and in order to do so, we need to apply the order of operations. There's an acronym that we use to help us remember the order of operations in algebra. We call it Pemdas, and it stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, both from left to right, followed by addition and subtraction, also from left to right. So if we take a look at the expression that we have here, we do have parentheses, but because what's in each set of parentheses are not like terms, there's nothing further that we can do with them. In other words, we can't put 4 minus x together because x is a variable and 4 is not. Exponents, we don't have any of those, so we move on to multiplication. Now I do see that I have some multiplication. I need to apply the distributive property, and here in our first set of parentheses, I need to distribute or multiply -1 across both terms, and on the right hand side I need to distribute or multiply 8 across both terms. Once I do that, we have 5x minus 4 plus x equals 8x minus 32 plus 11. Next we look to see what we can do in terms of combining like terms on the left side of the equation and on the right. Now on the left hand side of the equation I have 5x minus 4 plus x. Well, 5x and x can be combined. We add those together to get 6x, and we still have the minus 4. Now on the right hand side we have 8x, then we have minus 32 plus 11. So they're both constants, like terms. Here we take the difference of negative 32 and positive 11 and use the sign of the larger number. So that becomes negative 21. Next, we want to continue combining like terms, and we want to also isolate x on one side of the equation. I'll do this by adding 4 to both sides. So now I have 6x equals 8x minus 17. Subtract 8x from both sides, so that we have negative 2x equals negative 17. From here, we can divide by negative 2 on both sides. That leaves us with 1x, or x, on the left-hand side. Negative 17 over negative 2 on the right. A negative dividing a negative gives us positive. So in this case, x is equal to 17 over 2. This concludes our example, and we'll see you next time.